Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. How you doing today? We got one that was sent by a fellow named Kian, and he went on a visit to Brazil and sent me some noodles. These hail from China, and thank you again, man. I mean, Kian. It's Kian, right? I don't know why. I keep wanting to call it Kian. But that's like... I think he's Irish. He's Irish, right? And Kian sounds a little too more African-y. I think it's Kian. I remember he said, like, Ian with a K sound in the beginning. So... I like to get the words and such correct when I can. It's important. But... in either case, thank you. And yeah, so we got this Baixiang spicy pork variety. It didn't fare as well as the other noodles that were sent. Now these don't have instructions on them. I'm gonna treat this as a true instant noodle. What does that mean? Well, I'll tell you. Yeah, it's kind of mushed up, but I'm gonna use all of it. A true instant noodle, if you're gonna be technical, and I know a lot of you are, I get hate mail. I know, right? Why would somebody send me hate mail? Well, I'm the Ramen Raider, and I come out with top 10 lists, and there are instant noodle varieties on there that have to be cooked. So people will get very, very, very cranky. That's not instant. The real definition of instant. It's like, I know. And yeah, I mean, my number one is from Singapore. That's not ramen. I know, ramen is basically a regional dish of Japan. The rest are other noodle dishes. But it was a catchy name. And when I started the Ramen Raider, I thought it was all ramen, just like most other Americans do. This has been a learning journey of 20 years for me, so... all I know is that I find that the instant noodle is one of the most fascinating, and cooking noodles as well. The different, it's like the absolute finest ambassador of flavors from around the world that money can buy, and cheaply, I might add you. So, but I told them to simmer down and be quiet out there. I'm only doing 2. Shush. Talking to you, Miles. Miles has found his true inner voice, which comes out. Very loud. A lot of volume. Anyways, so, today is October 4th? Yeah. And what goes on October 4th, you ask? I don't know. Ask somebody else. They may have a better answer for you. This one has been a pain to try to figure out what it is. I got some help. Somebody was like, yeah, that's spicy pork. I'm like, and thank you for that. But what range is this from? This looks like... there was another one that he sent me that was, I swear it was a pork variety, but it's like big bone soup or big soup with I don't know. I just don't know. But you enter in the barcode, and literally Google just came up with absolutely no results and nothing. Not even like, we couldn't find anything. It just came up with absolutely nothing, which is like, I don't know. What am I supposed to do about that? I don't know, but we'll see what happens. What's happened since yesterday? Went out walking. I figured out my new groove. So I'm going to do 2 reviews in the morning time. Once the kids get on the bus, I'm going to walk on my loopy route get back, and I get back around between noon and 1, and then I've still got 3 hours to work. Right now, well, it's, what do you call it? October. So I've got videos getting done that are going to release in January, mid-January. And with that, I'm going to get all this stuff done this morning. Then I go over there, get all the rest of it done of this stuff. Then I do, I'm updating the big list. And once the big list is up to date, then I'm going to do my picks for top 10 lists that'll be coming out. And by the time you see this video, probably all those top 10 lists will be out. If you are a kind-hearted person and want to send me some noodles, and you're in South Korea or Malaysia, or that'd be great. Bring some home, send them to me. I will smile, and I'll do an unboxing video, and I'll thank you for it. That's about all I can offer, but that would be really, really super duper, because that's been the biggest problem with the top 10 Korea list. It's like I almost need to come out with a top 10 Korean style list, and that's not the same. I can't do that. Anyways, here's our noodle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. All right. Noodle's all right. I like Baixiang. Hey, good. Our broth. Good amount of Szechuan pepper flavor. Wow. Stronger than I expected by a lot. And it's, yeah, that's a lot of Szechuan pepper going on there. I'm kind of taken aback by that. But what do you do? I think that'll work. Oh, I don't want to pour the fork in. And I am going to have to make some more chashu soon, which means I need to get a pork belly. So what do we got here? Yeah, so instead, in lieu of chashu, I went to the store last night and I got some barbecue pork. It's just not the same though. The local store, I gotta say, it really, really irritates me. They just suck. I can't, I mean, most of the people there are nice, but it's not the people, it's the stuff they have on hand, and it's not a supply chain issue, it's mismanagement. And that's what I've got to say about that. Where did I put my eggs? There's my eggs. I don't know, there's also things like with the eggs, for example. We get eggs there often, and it's like, simmer down out there, young man. Simmer down. But they, it's like they freeze them or something happens. I'm noticing certain inconsistencies with their eggs. Like, I'll do soft boils. This many will do this many will do this. I will not say I'm an expert egg cracker, but you know what? My wife certainly is extremely adept at it, and she has the same issues. She's like, I don't know, a lot of these eggs are sticking, a lot of these eggs are doing this, a lot of these eggs are doing that. So, hopefully this egg behaves. I like a well-behaved egg. God damn. And the yolks in these are really, really stupid. Not the consistency, but just like where they end up settling. I don't get it. These eggs really, they were my savior, my holy eggs. They made the world a better place, and then all of a sudden, all I can guess is the way they store them at the store ruins them. I don't know. I could be wrong. It's been known to happen once in a while. But yeah, the problem is, it's like the only grocery store within walking distance. And actually, no, there's another one if you go that way, but I could, and guess what it is? It's the same freaking store, so kind of a pointless endeavor. Oh yeah, got one of these too. This one, honestly, spicy pork, yeah, not incredibly thrilled with it by any means, but it's cool. I haven't reviewed it before. I just want to know exactly what range of products this is in. I know the brand name, I know it's spicy pork, but is it Baixiang? Everybody likes to jump up and down and have a good time. Spicy pork flavor instant noodles. I mean, I don't know what it is. That's the range. Brand is Baixiang. Range is everybody likes to jump up and down and have a good time. And yeah. Anyways, watch it spin. Alright, so there's one out of the way, and the next one you're gonna see is this. Oh, it's Shin, Shin, Shinny, Shin, 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 Shin. It's Shin Vegan Cup. Shin Vegan Cup. So enjoy that. Yeah, you'll get to enjoy that tomorrow. So this has been Hans the Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.